What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Microsoft PowerPoint on your Windows PC. First, open up your web browser and go to office.com. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft Cloud login page. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have one yet, click to create one and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, click Home in the top menu and then select Install and More in the upper right corner. Choose Microsoft 365 Apps, which will download an installer package that includes PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and other Office applications. When the download finishes, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. If you'd rather install PowerPoint only, open the Microsoft Store app on your PC, search for PowerPoint, and click Get or Install. Depending on your region, prices may vary. So if you're looking for a better deal, use a VPN like Privado VPN to switch regions. Their free plan gives you 10 GB of data. I've put an affiliate link in the description below where you can grab a 90% discount on the unlimited plan. After installation, launch PowerPoint from your Start menu and sign in with the same Microsoft account. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.